Are you a club administrator struggling to communicate with members? Are contact details out of date? Are members not getting the message? Have you hassle collecting payments and organising events? GDPR data concerns and also big child protection worries? Komeer has the answer. Komeer provides an easy-to-use and secure platform that makes it a cinch for your club to communicate with members, save money on SMS costs, organise events, and collect payments for membership and activities. Komeer also provides some really clever GDPR management and health checks to make sure that you and your members' data are up to date and fully compliant. With Komeer, your club can save up to 85% on your communication costs. Collect payments securely by card or by direct debit and avoid the risk of GDPR nightmares. To find out more and sign up for a free trial, please visit www.komeer.com.